Are you ready for the next natural disaster? An emergency kit can make all the difference. Let's go over the must-have items to keep your family safe. Start with water. Pack at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. A portable water filter is also essential for long-term emergencies. Next, stock up on non-perishable food. Choose high-calorie, shelf-stable options like canned goods, energy bars, and freeze-dried meals. Include a first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers are a must. Don't forget personal medications and extra prescriptions. Add tools like a flashlight, extra batteries, and a multi-tool. A whistle and portable phone charger can also be lifesavers. For shelter, pack an emergency blanket, tarp, and duct tape. These can protect you from harsh conditions and create temporary housing. Finally, include personal items like cash, important documents in a waterproof bag, and hygiene supplies such as hand sanitizer and a toothbrush. Preparedness is about being proactive. Start building your emergency kit today to stay ready for whatever comes your way. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.